Still down close to about 0.5% on the benchmark indices, and it's Yes Bank which is under pressure, down close to about 2%. This is after the Reserve Bank of India has pulled up the management for selectively disclosing the risk assessment report and highlighting that they'd got that nil divergence. This was a violation of their confidentiality clause. Ritu Singh on the phone line with more details. Ritu?
Well, last week, Yes Bank stock soared almost 31% on the back of news that there was zero divergence noted by the Reserve Bank of India, which was seen as one of the big overhangs for the stock. But, now this comes as a surprise. It's the first time that we're seeing the regulator act out in this way, where they've actually told Yes Bank that this sort of selective disclosure is misleading the public. What they had to say is that disclosing the fact that divergence was at the amount that it was at zero, which is below 15%, it did not have to be disclosed, was a breach of confidentiality. And further, the risk assessment report noted other breaches and other misgivings in the bank which have not been disclosed, and therefore selective disclosure was sort of misleading the public. Secondly, the bank has also said that this note must be made public now, and it's possible that there could be further regulatory action against the bank for making these selective disclosures, which is why I think you're seeing the stock now coming under pressure.
Okay, all right. Thanks so much, Ritu, for joining in and giving us all those details. Well, moving on then, watch out for the biggest event of the year, the News 18 Rising India Summit, to be held in New Delhi on February 25th and 26th. This is one platform where you can catch all the biggest newsmakers of the country, from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, BJP President Amit Shah, to opposition chief ministers Kamalnath and Bhupesh Baghel. Along with a host of union ministers will be Isha Foundation founder Sadhguru, Bollywood and sports icons like Deepika Padukone, and former coach of the Indian cricket team Anil Kumble. That's the News 18 Rising India Summit in New Delhi on Feb 25th and 26th.
Get into a break. On the other side, Walchand Nagar Industries is a stock on our radar on the back of CARE revising its long-term ratings. We'll get chatting with GK Pillai, the MD and CEO. Stay tuned.